Hi guys, today I'm here to talk to you about muscle soreness and recovery. Now, after anyone's first workout in a long time, there's likely to be soreness, and that's okay, because everybody gets sore. What happens when you work out is you create a series of micro traumas, to the muscles. These micro traumas are tiny tears to the muscle fibers. And the resulting healing process helps muscles come back stronger, and repeating these increases the gains. Now, for most people, muscle soreness doesn't last more than 1 or 2 days, and that's great. But you don't want to chase the soreness. You're not doing your body any good by chasing the soreness. You can cause all kinds of bad problems. There's something that happens rarely. It's called rhabdomyolysis, I'm probably not pronouncing that right, which is a serious syndrome. I had to write this down because I cannot remember what it is. And this is due to a direct or indirect muscle injury. It results from the death of muscle fibers and release of the contents into the bloodstream. This can lead to some serious complications such as renal, which is kidney failure. This means the kidneys cannot remove the waste in the concentrated urine. I know it sounds gross, doesn't it? Now, what else happens with this? The serious condition takes place with myoglobin leaks. Now, what is myoglobin? That is a protein found in the muscle cells, and that provides oxygen to your muscles to help them work. So you don't want to lose that oxygen. So be careful with that. Kind of problematic muscle soreness stops people from moving. It's not a pleasant thing. And this happens mainly a lot to novices and serious weightlifters who've taken little time off and think they can go back to where they were and push through the pain. Pushing through the pain is not a good idea. You can actually damage yourself worse. Research has showed that it can cause atrophy to your muscles, and that's really not good. I'm sorry, I'm looking at my notes because I can't remember all this stuff. So you don't want your muscles to atrophy. So what are some ways to prevent this? Well, the biggest one is patience and an emphasis on complementary nutrition and excellent form. The principle behind this fix is called repeated bout effect. In other words, if a person repeats the motion and their body knows how to process it, the damaging effects of excess soreness will be limited. Okay, so say you're gone from the gym for 2 or 3 weeks, and you're coming back. What should you do? Well, the first thing you should do is limit your sessions. Instead of going whole hog, go do the motions 60% to 70% of what you would normally do. This way your body has a chance to catch up and remember, and this will, build up your muscles again. For the nutritional part of it, a balanced diet helps. Carbohydrates, form whole grains, yields the energy needed in the gym. A bit of healthy fat helps regulate the hormones, which play a critical part in telling the body when to heal. And proteins provide, a role in telling the body when to heal. Then proteins provide the materials the body uses to repair damaged muscles. Okay, and the third element to this is the proper form. You have to have the proper form. If you're not training correctly, you're doing worse for your body. The muscles are not an ideal form to absorb the force. So together, easing into routine, eating well, and the correct form go a long way towards protecting us against excessive soreness. And so these are really defined points of muscle soreness and trying to prevent it or limit the damage. I hope this is helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.